guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rutpurvas this side and hope you're all having amazing day. And today I'll be showing perfume which I like and use every day. So let's get started. So here goes the first one. It is Carolina Herrera. I don't know the perfume name, just I bought it because of Stiletto, and it is very fruity. I can tell you that you can use it on daytime and nighttime, and it's like so girly perfume. It is amazing, and I have had this for 2 years, and I have still not emptied it. So it stays longer. You don't have to do like respray it again and again. So if you want to get this, and it is very cute. It's like a stiletto and it looks very nice on your dressing table. And next is Hermes Twilly. I have like butchered it, like completely used it, and only little is left. And this perfume smells like divine, and it is very strong also. If you are walking by or if you are in car, this only smell that comes out of that is like this perfume's fragrance. And I have got a lot of compliments for this one, and plus it stays longer. And if you wear this, you can smell nothing, only this. And the most common used perfume for my everyday is this Armani C. You can wear it on the day, on the night, and you can build up with it. I love this so much. I have been using this for a long time. I had finished a bottle and got this one. This is also almost finished. Even my sister likes this, and it's like our go-to perfume. Very casual, very breezy. It's amazing. So I am suggesting everything to buy. If you like it, buy it. And I have lost the cap also. We use that this much. So this is Armani C. I don't know the perfume name. Just go with the color. Please go with the color. And I love to wear, to be honest, I love to wear men perfumes rather than women's because it stays longer. This is I have this cap. I have Ferragamo. I don't know what is this. So I got it last year. This is so nice. It is like, it smells like cedar wood, earthy, something woody, and it stays for so long. You don't have to wear for another 6-7 hours any other perfumes, and it smells awesome. And you don't want to layer with it. The perfume only will be staying longer, and it has like what I am just smelling myself. uh, this is like, don't layer with this perfume. That's what I was going to say. Just I was lost in this perfume smell, so I couldn't tell. Okay, that's my dog. If you're hearing that, so he's like very active now. He just woke up from his nap. So you and his name is Rex. I have 2 dogs actually. And this is Hermes one. I don't think this is EDP. The other perfumes I showed, it's EDP. This is EDT, and it stays very like comparatively normal time, like 2-3 hours, and you can use it, and it's very nice. And you can use it like you have to reapply it and use it. So this is nice, and it smells so nice. Actually, it's also little woody, and have used half a bottle. So this is nice. And if you want to buy this, don't, or this, or I have this perfume. This, I'll tell you buy everything in the what I have showed you. So this is my perfume collection, and if you want to see some more, just please comment in the comment section, and uh, I'll try to order it and use it, or I'll show you if I have used it. So bye guys, have an amazing day, and if you like, if you are watching the video, thank you so much. And if you want to give me a suggestion or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll read every comments and everything. Subscribe, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Share the share the YouTube link to everyone, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye bye. That's my Rex again. So bye guys. I was like bye.